Hi, this is Busy Pearl Tree channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out from your Discord account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you use Discord on a shared device, or if you just like to use the different account in the app, you will have to log out Discord on your device first. So how to do it? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. Now from your Discord, you can go to settings to log out from your account. Select on user settings. And from user settings, you don't have to go to like account or to the privacy message permission or others. You can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option log out. To log out, you can just select on that. Are you sure you want to log out? You can just select on log out. So now you have logging out from your Discord account, and you can log in with your another account, or maybe if you want to create a new account, you can just register. It's very simple, right? So that is how to log out from your Discord account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.